What's up guys, BRANDO here with another tech video for you guys today. And today we're going to check out some edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protectors from BRANDO. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone X and give you guys my quick in-depth review. We do have two different models here, and in this video we're going to check out the transparent model, and in another video we're going to check out the traditional black model. The screen protectors come in premium cardboard packaging to keep the glass from breaking, and included is the screen protector here, as well as some dust stickers and a small microfiber cloth. So skipping ahead, this is what the screen protector looks like on the iPhone X. So as you guys can see here, it's called the transparent model for a reason. Unlike a traditional edge-to-edge style screen protector, which normally has blacked out borders, this one here is all clear. Anyways, taking a quick overview of the screen protector and what it has to offer, and I also want to note that I did slap on a case on my iPhone here to show that some cases are compatible with an edge-to-edge style screen protector. Anyways, because the iPhone no longer has a Touch ID or home button, we only have one single cutout here, and that is for the earphone on the top. Aside from that, the entire screen is all covered up in glass, as well as the edges. And because the top here is all clear, your FaceTime camera and light sensors are unaffected either. One feature on the screen protector that I can't really show you on video is the oleophobic coating. Basically, this oleophobic coating does an excellent job at repelling fingerprints, but also makes it easy to clean your screen off. BRANDO is one of my favorite few brands out there that actually make a decent oleophobic coating for their screen protectors. In short, BRANDO's own oleophobic coating, in my opinion, is a little bit nicer and sleeker than Apple's own coating on the original glass display. Overall guys, it's a nice screen protector. It gives you full protection for the touchscreen of your iPhone, and because it's an edge-to-edge style screen protector, it looks a little bit nicer than the ones that don't cover the edge. That being said, even though the screen protector itself is nice, I actually don't recommend this model. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, BRANDO has two different models here, the transparent model and a black model. The screen protector itself is nice, but I do recommend the black model because the transparent model actually shows a lot of dust and debris that accumulates around the edges of the screen protector. With the black model, because it's all painted black around the edges, you don't see that. With the transparent model though, at first when you put it on, it does look nice when you take your phone in and out of your jeans, and just over time, dust and stuff and lint does accumulate around the edges of the screen protector, and I don't mean just the edges but actually underneath the glass edge. And for that reason, this is why I would recommend the black model over the transparent model, which we will check out in the next review video. Now granted, the same thing will happen with the black model, dust and stuff will accumulate around the edges, but unfortunately it's impossible for screen protector manufacturers, at least at this point in time, to make a tempered glass screen protector adhere around the edges like they do with the front. And for those of you wondering why screen protector manufacturers can't make a screen protector that covers and adheres to the edge like they do on the front, basically, the curved edge portion of the glass display on all the iPhones is actually slightly different on every iPhone. And because of that, screen protector manufacturers can make one screen protector work on an iPhone X, but on another iPhone X, it may not perfectly fit. So as of this moment in time, the best thing screen protector manufacturers can do is cover the edge, but unfortunately, they can't adhere the edge portion to the phone. In conclusion guys, although the screen protector itself is very nice because the edges are transparent and shows off all the dust and debris that may accumulate around the edges, to me that just doesn't look nice, and because of that, I don't recommend the transparent model. So stay tuned for the black model, which we will check out in the next video. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this, ask me in the comment sections there down below. Hit the like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.